Hi, my name is Trish. I'm from French's Travel.
And I'm Valerie French from French's Travel.
We are here at the Newington Library to announce a program we're going to be having on April 20th that's going to highlight the great destination of Great Britain. Now, we know not everyone wants to be traveling right now. You're tired of being stuck at home. We understand. So we want to have a program that will get you in your armchair and get you flying to the wonderful country. We are going to highlight a lot of great destinations within the country itself. We're going to start in London in a little something called 70 Years on the Throne. Then we're going to maybe pop on over to Downton Abbey for some high tea. Maybe then hop over to the Cotswolds for some time with Beatrix Potter before heading up to York. And a little bit of history before we wrap it up in the beautiful city of Edinburgh.
We obviously have lots of stories to share and also share some helpful hints on traveling right now. We hope you'll join us on April 20th at 6:30. Just call the library to register or click on the link for the Zoom link.
Cheerio!